In this lecture, we will talk about the example right here. Pinworm infestation, commonly found in children, can be treated with the drug that is effective in 85% of cases. Suppose that 3 children with pinworm infestation are given the drug. Ask us to do 3 things. First one, draw a tree diagram for the problem. B, list the outcomes in which exactly 2 of the 3 children are cured. So exactly 2 of 3 children are cured. Okay, because we are told that 3 children with pinworm infestation are given the drug. So we want the outcomes in which exactly 2 of the 3 children are cured. C is related to B. Find the probability that exactly 2 of the 3 children are cured. Now, let's do this problem. Down here, we are given effective rate is 85%. So, what we can do is we say S means success, or successful. Okay. And then it means cured. And then we will have a P of S is 0.85. Okay. Now F will stands for failure. Then it will be not cured. And then P of F will be what? Will be 0.15. You may say, how did you get that? Look, successful rate is 0.85. Then failure rate, of course, is 1 minus 0.85, which is 0.15. Okay, so now, with those things in our mind, we are given 3 children right here. So then, how does the diagram looks like? You may say the first children, it has what? 2 possibilities. Cured or not cured. S and F. And if the first children is cured, there are 2 possibilities for the second one. Still successful or cured or not cured. If the first children is failure or not cured, there are still 2 possibilities, S, F. Okay. Now, how about third children? Third child. If the first one, second one is cured, third one still has 2 possibilities, S and F, cured or not cured. If the first one is cured, the second child is not cured. So still we have what? SF. And then if the first child is failure, not cured, second one is successful or cured, then you still have what? SF for the third children. And so is the case for FF. The first one is cured, second one is first one is not cured, the second one is not cured, and then for the third children still have two cases, SF, cured and not cured. How many cases? See, SSS, they are all cured. SSF, first one cured, second one cured, the third one is not. SFS, first one cured, second one not cured, the third one is cured, and then SFF. Okay, SF. Now FSS, FSF, FFS, and then FFF. Okay. So in total you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cases. Okay. There are 8 cases. So, you know, this is the tree diagram. Tree diagram. Now, list the outcomes in which exactly 2 of the 3 children are cured. You see, this is all are cured. This is 1, 2, first 2 are cured. The third one is not. So this one will be one of the case. Because here exactly 2. But you know, this is the last one. And how about SFS, the second case? Okay, and the first one is cured, and the last one is cured. And the middle one, the second one, is not cured. And then this case. This case. So this case, this case, and this case. Okay, so this is the answer for A. For B, you may list right here. That's easy. That's what? SSF from here. SFS, SFS. And third one is FSS. Okay, you can see right down here what? F, the last, and then goes to the second, and then goes to the first. So it looks like F is shifting from here to the middle, and then S goes back. And then S goes to the first, and then F goes first, S goes back. Okay, yeah. So you may look at this, and then, you know, find the probability that exactly 2 of the 3 children are cured. Now look, for C, you do is like what? P of S, S, F. That's for this one. Okay. And then you have a P, S, F, S, F, S. So let me put S here. And then you have a P of F, S, S. F, S, S. So you see that. This one, this one, huh? This one, huh? Okay, and then you have this one, this one. All right. You want to add all of them together, huh? You want to add. Okay. Successful rate is 0.85. So you have 0.85 times another 0.85. And then F is what? 0.15. That's for the first one. Okay. For the second one, let me write it down here. Is what? 0.85. That's S. And then F. F is what? 0.15. Okay. 0.15. And then the last one is also S. You see. S, F, S. Okay. So then you have a point what? 85. Okay. So that's the second one. The third one, let me put right here. F, S, S. So you then have a point 1, 5, F, huh? Okay. And then what? Times 0.85, because that's S, huh? And then 0.85. Okay. Again, you want to add all of them together. So you do is add, add, and then add together. Okay. So that's the case. Now, what do you get? You see here there are two 0.85. So you may do is what? 0.85 times 0.85 times 0.15. Okay, that's this one. This one is the same, huh? Okay, there are 2.85, so is this case. So basically you have what? 3 times 0.85, 0.85, 0.15, and here you times 3. Okay, you hit the enter, you have the answer. Alright? Yeah. So that will be 0.325125. Okay? So that's the answer for C. And actually you may say you are dumb. You are dumb. Now we want to see something extra.